Firstly, welcome back to the summer term, probably the most unusual summer term that you will all have ever experienced. I hope this assembly finds you safe, finds you healthy, and finds you ready to start the final term of this academic year. I hope you still are positive that we will soon be through this coronavirus pandemic and enjoying school life as it's meant to be, together, as a whole school, sat in the main hall, enjoying the singing and the messages that are delivered on a daily basis, or walking together in the sunshine through Donaldson's. I hope you've all had a peaceful holiday and are ready to start the next stage of your education in whatever form that may be. To our sevenths, our seniors, and the leaders of our student body, please remember that you are still members of this school. Keep checking in on your email and Firefly accounts for messages and further details on courses, qualifications, service opportunities, and when we know more, details of your Leavers celebrations and, with luck, exhibition. I know many teachers are considering reaching out to you to see if you would like to take part in mentoring and guiding younger members of our school. And many thanks to those of you who have already volunteered your services for the Scran Academy. This is an amazing community project, and I'm very proud of those who have volunteered their time to help more vulnerable people across Edinburgh. Remember also your university deadlines. Universities have been told to stop making unconditional offers to students who are yet to receive their results. There's now only one undergraduate deadline for applicants, and you have until 6 p.m. on the 18th of June to make your final decisions. Keep checking on the UCAS website. Keep talking to our careers department. Mrs. Slavin and Madam Harley are available to you and are always very keen to chat. For 5ths and 6ths, you will have started your new higher and advanced higher courses yesterday. Timetables should now be available for you on Firefly. Do not panic if they are not. They will be soon. Good luck in these new courses. Enjoy this aspect of deeper learning and a more focused study on fewer subjects. If you have written in to change your options in the last 24 hours, these will not yet show on Firefly. Any requests made for changes from Tuesday will now be collated together, actioned, and will be available for you after the weekend. All new timetables will then go live. Until then, stick with the courses that you have chosen. Start them, attend all your lessons, and the next timetable updates will happen on Friday afternoon this week and will go live on Monday next week. In the senior school, we will be using Firefly and Microsoft Teams to continue your education. Keep checking on both systems and try your best to keep on top of work. Allow yourself some downtime, especially in this glorious weather. Do some exercise. Look after your family. If you have younger brothers and sisters, look after them. Guide them. Help them, especially if you have done a course or a subject before. Help your mum and dad. To all our students, don't panic. Don't worry. Your teachers are working hard to provide you with the materials that you will need to make progress and succeed with your education. You are not falling behind. Education will feel different. It will look different. It will sometimes work and it will sometimes be less successful. But in the long run, it will all be fine. Now more than ever, the EA learner characteristics that will be important to you in the coming weeks and months. You will be working independently as the school is closed to all of us. And I hope you're still curious and interested in all the subjects that you are looking to take and further your knowledge with. Collaboration is always going to be difficult in a time of school closure, but understand and know that your teachers and the pastoral staff are all available for you, and please reach out if you need any assistance or care at all. Creativity is at the front of everything we do. Our teachers are being creative in developing new ways to teach you, and you will be creative in ways of learning at home. I'm hoping you're very much enjoying the learning opportunities that we have now created. But resilience is probably the most important one. In these difficult times, we're fighting a global pandemic, and history is being made around us. Look after your loved ones. Support your family. We will all get through this, and it will not be long before we are back at school, meeting together again, laughing again, and enjoying our school community. Trust your teachers. Look after yourselves, and do your best. Have a great term, and we will see you soon.